My name is Jason Stewart, and I want to thank you for tuning in to the first episode of my new YouTube channel I'm beginning. I plan to use my 30 years of experience as a photographer to help you become a better photographer. So you can expect things like photography tutorials, not only to help you become a better photographer, but also to help you gain a better understanding of the equipment you're using. I will also be doing product and equipment reviews. You can also expect tutorials on such things like how to set up a home studio and how to set up lighting for portrait work. Not only will I show you how to set these up, but I'll also show you how they work. You can also expect tutorials on post-processing in programs like Lightroom and Photoshop so that you can learn some of the tricks of the trade and gain more knowledge in the digital darkroom. My goal is to help you go out into the world and capture the images that you're looking for, and then bring those images back home into your digital darkroom so that you can know how to effectively and professionally process them in Lightroom and Photoshop. Anything and everything that has to do with the world of photography, we're going to cover it. You can also join me when I go out into the field to take photographs, to photograph such places as Yellowstone National Park, the Grand Teton National Park, Zion National Park in Utah, the Sierra Mountains, Mammoth Mountain, and many more beautiful and incredible places such as that. If I go there, I'm going to bring you along with me as I video each new adventure. And we're going to document my journey. What camera settings I'm using, what my approach is to capturing each image. You're going to see how I approach taking pictures of wildlife, as well as nature and landscape photography, what camera gear I'm using, what my settings are, and what my approach is as I'm out in the field taking photographs. And so if that sounds interesting to you, I would love to have you come along with me on this journey. And if you like this video, could you do me a huge favor and hit the like button below? And also, please hit the subscribe button so that I can continue bringing you new episodes each week. If you'd like to be alerted anytime I upload a new episode, hit the bell in the upper right corner. When you hit that bell, it will notify you to let you know that there's a new episode to be watched. And then you can watch it anytime in the future at your convenience. Once again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find this YouTube channel helpful. Now go out there and capture the world.